Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Purple color, black color, pink color, brown color, sky blue color, light pink color, green color, orange color, light green color, yellow color, red color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Okay, so now you draw F. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Okay, so now you draw J for the Joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Okay, so now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. Kids, now you draw W. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. 1 2 3 4 5. Kids, now you draw 6 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.